Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now I've made several dosa recipes and adding to that list I'm going to share another wonderful recipe today. We're going to make this delicious, colorful and perfectly crispy beetroot ghee dosa. Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken one fresh medium-sized beetroot. Make sure to wash it well, peel off the skin and chop it into small pieces. Transfer these vibrant chunks into a mixer jar. Next, add a small piece of fresh ginger. Next, add 2 green chilies cut into halves for a gentle spice kick. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds for that subtle earthy flavor and half teaspoon of salt to season. Now pour a little water and grind everything into a smooth velvety paste. See that rich bright color? That's exactly what we want. Transfer the beetroot paste into another bowl and keep it aside. In another large mixing bowl, you can see I have the regular dosa batter ready here. Add the fresh beetroot paste to this. Mix well until everything is well combined. The batter now has the most beautiful natural pinkish red hue. Kids will be instantly drawn to this. In fact, this is a perfect recipe to sneak beetroot into their diet if they usually avoid it. The batter is ready. Time to make the dosas. Heat a tawa. Keep the flame on medium. Take 1 ladleful or 1.5 ladles of the batter. Pour it onto the tawa and spread it gently in circular motion. Drizzle a few drops of ghee around the edges. Now you can use oil, but trust me, ghee adds a wonderful aroma and flavor to the dosa. As it cooks, apply a little more ghee over the dosa. Once the base turns slightly crisp and golden, gently flip it over and cook on the other side for a few seconds. And there you have it. Soft and healthy and oh so colorful, beautiful beetroot dosas are ready in minutes. Serve these colorful and hot beetroot dosas with some nice fresh coconut chutney and mint chutney for that flavorful breakfast or evening tiffin. This recipe is a fun twist to the regular dosas we make at home and it's guaranteed to impress both the kids and adults. Give it a try and enjoy this dosa of color, health and happiness on your plate. This truly unique, eye-catching, colorful and beautiful beetroot dosa is absolutely delicious to eat and it's packed with goodness. Well, those beetroot ghee roasts have come out so perfectly crispy. I can't wait to enjoy them. I'm going to have it with some nice coconut chutney. So flavorful and so tasty. Perfect with the coconut chutney. But I really enjoyed those beetroot dosas. They were so crispy and so yummy. So next time you're looking to make something different and interesting, try these and you'll get them perfectly. Do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.